What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. I'm gonna show you guys what I've completed in the past few exercises. When it comes to HTML exercises, I would say HTML. I don't know why, but HTML. I don't like sounding more. Anyways, this is what I've done. I don't know if I've shown it before, but that's the new exercises that I'm doing. So yeah, I done the HTML CSS. Okay, I'm on the third one, right? Per chapter is 20. I do 10 every run. I like to switch between HTML exercises and JavaScript. So on JavaScript, I'm almost done. I'm like nearly. So I started off right here, right? This is the entire course, the whole JavaScript course. And so I'm right here. Let's see, where am I? I've done a lot, bro. I've done like 90. I'm almost done. Where is it? Where's the end? Right there. There's the end. And I thought I was almost done. I was like, you know what? 80%, I think it is. I've done 90 out of 113, but it's like 80%, something like that. So I was like, you know what? That was fast. I thought, JavaScript is easy, but you collapse the course and there's more to this single JavaScript algorithms and data structures. After that, you're done with it. I don't know how far I went, bro. I don't know. I think that's pretty far. I don't know how far I went before I left it. So far, so good, though. So that's good. If I'm not noticing the difficulty, that's good. And then there's regex. I've already done this separately. I remember when I was learning, I think it was Python. I was learning regex. Regex is used in any programming language. It's applied differently, but the regex itself is the same. Then there's debugging, there's other stuff too. And these are all short. It's just the JavaScript basics that was kind of long. So yeah, that's what I've done in a little bit. Yesterday, I wasn't doing too much of JavaScript because they were kind of difficult, not gonna lie. Normally in one run, before I switch off to HTML, I like to do 5%. I think in lessons, that's probably like 6 lessons. But I was having a lot of difficulty with one. And I'm not gonna be hard-headed and, finish my 5%. If one lesson is taking me like 30 minutes, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna force it. So I was like, you know what, this lessons, so it's taking me more time, so I'll do 3. But, so far, so good. Right now, I got the hang of, what are they? Objects. That's what they're called, objects. So I thought they were arrays where I left off, but they're not arrays. They're objects. And they're almost the same, just that objects have the curly brackets. And you can assign, they have a colon in the middle, and you can assign them. So on array, let me pull up so literally that's all it is. I thought I was gonna see more, but it's what I had just said. So it's the square brackets versus the those. So with an array, wait, no, those are both arrays. I mean objects. Okay, so this is an object right here. You assign to whatever you want, really. I don't know if that makes sense. That probably didn't make sense. But with an array, let's say you have Raul 1, 2, 3. If you want to get Raul, it starts the numerations on array starts with 0. So if you want to get Raul, you're gonna get whatever your name of the array is 0. If you want to get 1, because Raul and then 1, 2, 3. So if you want to get 1, you're gonna put 1 because it's in second place. So yeah, basically whatever place it's in minus 1. If you want to get the last one, which is there's 4, row 1, 2, 3. If you want to get number 3, you're going to put 3, not 4. So that's how an array works. An object, though, is not by numbers. You can do whatever you want. You can put, so still going off of row 1, 2, 3, you could do, let's say, yo mama, colon, Raul. That'll be number 1. Whoa, not number 1. It's going to be yo mama. So if you wanted to get Raul, you just obviously, I'm not going to give a whole spiel on JavaScript enough, but the basics is if you wanted Raul, you type in your mama. For 1, you could type in whatever you want. Google colon, you could put it as a string, Google colon 1. And so if you wanted to get 1, you're not going to put 1 anymore. Because remember, it's the second place, you got to put 1. That's for the array. For an object, you can name it whatever you want. Instead of the number, you can put you could put 1 if you wanted to. You can keep it the same, but I mean, why use objects? Just use an array, right? I think they do have different uses and functions, but obviously I'm still a beginner, so That's what I know as of now. So yeah, everything's going pretty good. Other than the slowdown of JavaScript. It's a little bit of a slowdown. But you know, hopefully I pick back up. And if not, it don't matter. Because as long as you're learning, right? Even if I learned one per day, as long as I'm learning, I don't really care. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.